Hello everyone, this is the little viral microwave cleaning gadget, I guess we can call it. I make a lot of beans, I make a lot of tin food sometimes in the microwave, and often it just kind of pops everywhere and you get all the smudges in your microwave. So I thought I'll get this, because manually cleaning the microwave, scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing is an absolute pain, and also just using cleaning supplies in the microwave and waiting for it to get through all the muck and what's not that amasses over time is no fun. Okay, so I was told that this was meant to do a really good job, and you're basically meant to put a bit of water and some vinegar in it and maybe some soda powder if you forgot, and put it on the microwave for like 1 minute or so, and it's meant to steam the microwave out, and when you start cleaning the microwave it's meant to just make it really easy. So the way this works is you'll pick it up, and this is what it looks like. This is where all the steam comes out. It's got no other holes anywhere else. You take the lid off, okay, and then you put your liquid and everything, your cleaning supplies in there. You can also just take this off. I mean, there's not really any point of taking it off, so I'll just put it back on, but you can take it all apart, and then you put the head back on, and there you go, you've got it back like that. This works like a charm. I think you would really like it. I would recommend this. It's a thumbs up for me.